See that? This is my problem. This is my life. It is non-stop hair, hair, hair. Because I've got 3 dogs. If we throw them in the back of the Bronco, that hair gets all over the back of my seats. I'm constantly vacuuming it because of these 3. Yeah, you know who I'm talking about. You, and you. Out with the old. In with the new. Okay, a couple things that I like about this. Velcro on the back, so they stick. They stick really, really well. So what that means is this is rubber, which means no more dog hair sticking to the carpet on the back of my seats. I'm gonna love it. I think the dogs are gonna love it. What else can I say? Pretty easy install.